Welcome back, dear students. In this lesson, let's discuss about constructor. In Solang Solidity, what's constructor, and compare it also to vanilla or native Solidity, any differences or similarities. Now, when you talk about constructor, let me simplify it this way. When you want to deploy a smart contract on the blockchain, because usually on mainnet, for example, it's not like every other day you want to go there. Today you deploy a smart contract that people are actually using, then tomorrow you go and change it, next tomorrow, no. So it had to be reliable. And one of those things, for example, you want to set up a token and you want people to trust that, okay, this token, only this set of people have access to it, only this wallet, or even nobody will have access to it again, and things like that. So that is where constructor comes in. Constructor in Solidity is a piece of code that is run usually once in the lifetime of your smart contract, and it is only runs the first time the smart contract is being deployed. So if you have, for example, this contract usually declared at the beginning, maybe you have a variable, you can declare it. If you have a variable, you can declare it, but if not, you have here now, you have a constructor with the keyword constructor. Then you can have an argument, which you can as well now have the code block of what to be done. So this constructor can be empty, it's not compulsory, but it's only essential when you need to initiate or initialize the state of that smart contract with some things once the smart contract runs, because the constructor is one of the first set of instructions that will be executed before any other thing in the smart contract at the point of deployment. So, and usually, the constructor will not run again. So you cannot just go now and, like any other function like this, try to interact with it again. No, it usually runs at this time that contract is to be deployed. So whatever the value or whatever you want to do, you can change it. For example, if I want to say just an example, please. So if I want to say string owner equals to first K, you understand? So instead of this, I want this smart contract, whoever is setting it up, to be able to declare the owner themselves at the point. But once you declare it, you can't change it later. Then in this case, we just say owner equal to so you can see it now. So what this does is, if you run this contract, it will allow you, whoever is running, want to deploy that contract, to put whatever the name of this owner they want. So if this owner, later on, you can now use this to, like, okay, before you run this function, you need to conclude, you need to be the owner. Then it will go and check when this smart contract was deployed, who was set as the owner. So if I set this as first K, and then later somebody wants to run a function or do something that require it to be this owner, but then the person that is trying to run it, maybe the wallet is not first K, the wallet is maybe Solomon. You understand what I'm saying now? It will deny it from running, because while the smart contract was initialized, it has set it and the owner has been imputed, and you can't change it except you want to redeploy the smart contract entirely. Again, though on Solana you can upgrade, but that is, you are redeploying, not instant. Then you just want to use it with any other function. So That's what Constructor is used for, and you will learn a lot about things, how you can do, what you can do with it. You can read through the table, and don't forget, if you get stuck, I'm always available. The team, the Programming University, is available in the Discord, even including AI. These are things we are as well working on to give you support 24/7. So just join the community on the Discord to get support. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep the programming spirit and alive. Your only assurance to succeed as a programmer in the long term. I remain Solomon Foske. Peace and bye.